54 divided by 12 is $4.50 per ticket.
Teller reaches the ticket bank, where dollars and tickets are carved directly into the stone. A student computes $54 divided by 12 tickets. This quotient compares dollars to tickets. Dividing the total amount by 12 gives the specific rate of dollars per ticket. This means 4.5 represents $4.50 per ticket. As Tella moves into the slope shallows, a geometric shape emerges from the underwater rocks. Slope is the change in height per unit of time.
The y-axis represents height, while the x-axis represents time. The triangle shows that for every unit of time, the height changes by exactly 1.5 units. This geometry translates to a physical rate.
A rise of 1.5 for one time unit gives slope 1.5.
The slope means the height changes by 1.5 units each time unit. At the expression crossing, the light shifts over a physical story. A phone plan costs $20, plus $3 for each gigabyte used. We start by naming G as the number of gigabytes used. We write 3G to represent that variable data charge. Adding the fixed $20 fee completes the relationship. By decontextualizing the story, we see the expression is 20 plus 3G. Tella reaches the meaning shore, where 9 empty crate outlines wait on the sand. We have 9 crates and 7 melons per crate. The product of these two factors counts every melon in the group. 63 means 63 melons altogether. The math of number and story forward is built into the environment itself.
$20 plus $3 for each gigabyte is 20 plus 3G.